This is Joe. In this video, I'm going to go over my top plays for the Week 3 NFL based on how often they get 5 times their salary after I ran 10,000 simulations in my Excel spreadsheet. You can check out the spreadsheets at optimizelineups.com/sim or check out our video course at www.spreadsheetschooldfs.com, and you can use coupon code YouTube for 10% off. So let's get right into the video, starting at number 10 for quarterbacks. So number 10, Mac Jones, 15.6%. Number 9, Sam Howell, 15.8%. Number 8, Russell Wilson, 15.9%. That he scored 5 times their salary. Number 7, Daniel Jones, 16.2%. And number 6, Tua Tagovailoa. Moving to number 5, Dak Prescott, 18.9% at $6,600. Lamar Jackson, 20.8%. Number 3, Jordan Love, 21.9%. Number 2, Geno Smith at 22.1%. And the top quarterback, based on points per dollar, Brock Purdy, 23.1%. Now let's get into the running backs. Number 10, Kenneth Walker at 8.5%. Samaje Perine, 8.9%. Number 8, Khalil Herbert, 9%. Number 7, Rashad Penny at 10.1%. And number 6, Clyde Edwards-Helaire, $4,100, 10.2%. Number 5, Jamal Williams, 12.2%. Jerick McKinnon, number 4, 12.3%. Number 3, Miles Sanders, 14.7%. Number 2, Josh Jacobs at $7,000, but 15.5%. And the top play, Joe Mixon at 16.4%. Now let's get into our wide receivers here. Number 10, Amari Cooper, 14%. Number 9, Devontae Adams, 15.1%. Number 8, Josh Reynolds, 15.4%. Number 7, Devontae Parker, 16.6%. And number 6, Calvin Austin, 16.8%. Moving to number 5, Mac Hollins, $3,500, 16.9%. Then Curtis Samuel at number 4, 17.5%. Zay Jones at number 3, 19%, only $4,500. Pierce Campbell, $3,200 at 20.5%. And the top wide receiver play, Rondell Moore, $3,200, 21.7%. Now let's finish off with tight ends. Number 10, George Kittle, 12.6%. Mo Ali Cox, 13.3%. Number 8, Evan Ingram, 15.1%. Zach Ertz, 16.3%. And number 6, Dalton Schultz, 16.6%. Moving to number 5. And we've got Dawson Knox, 17%. Mike Gesicki, number 4, 17.6%. Number 3, Taysom Hill, $3,300, just over 18%. Juwan Johnson, number 2, 19.2%. And the top tight end play, Chig Okanoa, was our top tight end play. So hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe, and give us a thumbs up if you like it, and post any comments below on who you're going to play this week or how well you did. That's it. Thanks a lot. Bye.